Hello and welcome to N2O audio video tutorial on the Ford Escort. This video will also do Ford Fiestas and Ford Pumas. Firstly, you get your Ford keys, pop them in the sides, pull outwards and then towards you. Stereo will come out like that. Firstly, unplug the plugs at the back and the aerial. Pop that in the back. For when you come to sell the car, you can always put that back in. Firstly, get your Ford adapter. This will only plug in one way, you can't plug it in incorrectly. Alright, that's it. And that basically converts it into an ISO. You can also, as well, with the stereo, you get a wiring harness. These also just click in like so. These will be also colour coded as well. Pop that in the hole. Right, with the stereo as well, with the aerial, you need an aerial adapter. So that'll go in like so. Firstly, what you want to do is get your security cage that comes with the stereo and your Ford Fiesta and Escort and Puma fascia plate. These could be all bought on eBay for a couple of quid. Firstly, put that on, make sure it goes round. Can be a bit fiddly. Alright, what you want to do is push the tabs in, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top. This will stop the thief nicking the stereo, and that's all fully in there. Alright, what you want to do now is get your stereo, push it in through, until it clicks. Right, so what you want to do is, with the fascia plate, it comes with a hanging bracket. So with that, either get a small bolt or small screw, that'll go into the back. Get your screwdriver, pop it into the hole. Right, firstly, you get your wiring. Plug that in. Sometimes you can hear a bit of whirring. And make sure this hanging bracket, there's a little metal bit on the top. Make sure this catches on that, and then keep on pushing, 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 pushing until it clicks in. And then we'll just make sure that the stereo turns on as well. Excellent. Well, good. Thank you very much for listening.